welcome to our channel. For this week's video, we have more than just one update. We built and installed our first upper cabinet and will soon add the cover. We installed the light strips for our living room and updated our electrical bench. ¿Qué tal, chiquillos? Aquí estamos nuevamente trabajando en la van, como siempre. Voy a estar trabajando en un nuevo proyecto que va a ser la primera upper cabinet. Aidan está trabajando en algunas cosas de la parte eléctrica, así que eso, estamos en proyectos diferentes por el momento, así que nada, vamos a darle. So I'm gonna start working on our upper cabinet here. I'm thinking I really want it to be long, but I've noticed not a lot of people have upper cabinets in this area. Probably because they come in and they hit their head or something, so I want that to happen to us. And I'm going to close off this part of the van. I mean, this part of the wall too. So let's do it. First, I tried to attach a very thin piece of wood that would accommodate the curves in the van, but it ended up breaking. I found that the best option was small pieces of tongue and groove cedar. These ones work perfectly. Sand this so it's like better, and we're gonna see how we're gonna finish that. Maybe cover it, we'll see. So far I think the cedar worked pretty well. Definitely a lot easier to cover this curve. After some wood veneer and paint, the job was done. Aidan, dile hola a la gente.
Hola, gente.
Ya, lo que quiero hacer es hacer el upper cabinet de esa parte, y creo que lo voy a hacer del mismo digamos tamaño que el dresser, entonces va a llegar como hasta por acá, digamos. Y bueno, vamos a poner esto acá primero y desde ahí vamos a empezar a construir. So I just went to Home Depot with Aidan and I got these 1/2-inch birch plywood. Once I have my piece cuts, I'm probably gonna sand and paint. I've been trying to figure it out if I want to stain these or paint it white. I've been putting a lot of wood around, and I don't know what to do. I think I probably should paint it white, keep it simple, and I don't know, I think it's just gonna make everything look a little more bright. So I end up staining the board that's gonna hold the cabinet, and then that right here I'm gonna paint it white. You ready?
Yeah.
Ay. Uf, me dio hambre.
Yo también. I think I'm gonna make something in a second. I got like so hungry.
No se metió. Necesito ayuda. You didn't go?
You want me to push it further?
Yeah. I see. Wait now. Oops, sorry.
Babe, what do you think about like an emergency pizza?
Emergency pizza?
No, I'll make food.
I thought we were going to do the crepe.
Later. We're gonna do crepes later? Crepe? What? We never said we wanted crepes today.
What do you mean? The crepe thing that they open in Commanders.
But we never said we're going today.
¿Por qué no?
Because we can go another day, boo. Really?
You get a crepe like you have hunger. You're hungry and you want to get like a savory crepe. You want pizza? What's the difference? I don't know. Okay.
See, but that's gonna go here, and this one's gonna go here.
Well, maybe you need to do that before you put the other stuff on so the
Hey,
board's
let me take a picture
straight,
of it.
you know? Because otherwise the board's gonna be bent when you're measuring the other stuff.
Wow.
Amor,
Okay.
you know what I'm saying?
No.
Careful, do it again. Careful. Do it quick so I can go make.
Today's a very exciting day. I have the 2 cuts for both sides of the cabinets, and I'm gonna put that together. Wood putty in the wood to cover the nails and the screws, and now I'm gonna cover the seams with some 2-inch wood veneer, and I'm gonna paint it. El trabajo de Aidan, que ha estado trabajando muy duro. We're gonna drill this cabinet through the inside to the 2x2. We drill this top part to our frame in the ceiling.
So you want me to do this and just go for it?
Yeah. Con cariño, sí.
Siempre con cariño.
Sí. Ahí pasó, sigue. Push. Pasa. Push. Aidan, you look very comfortable.
So, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be fixing our light
Right.
strips. We are going to assemble the channels and cut them properly.
Because the cedar is so delicate, we attach the metal clips manually. Entonces, lo que hicimos ayer, instalamos los metal brackets en el cedar y now we're gonna put the light strips on them with the glue that comes in the back. Tell you that now I can charge my phone here. We installed this guy. So charging. To install the wood edges, I cover the cables first to protect them from the glue.
Welcome back to our vanbuild.
Do you like how that looks?
Yeah, looks great.
The edge?
Wow, yeah.
Looks awesome, right? It's a new day and I want to show you what Aidan has done. No me lo van a creer. Look at it. La banca ya está viéndose muchísimo mejor. We put the hinges here. We just have to install those I can't remember the name now, but those things that keep them open, and so you just open through. I think we're gonna paint this, but I haven't done it yet, so we'll see how that goes. And then for the part with the Happy Jack cables, we still have to figure it out, but looking pretty good here, and it goes down this little hole, and so the cables of the light have its on of this one. This is a Happy Jack, is pretty tight, and this one is a light, so when the bed goes down, this cable is loose, so it goes down this way. We love how Chiquitina is starting to look. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and follow along. Also, spoiler alert for our next video. We'll be taking the van on the road for the first time to Tampa. We will be visiting family and attending the Reggae Rise Up Fest.